Hi, my name is Brittany Burns. I am a student at Hardin-Simmons University and I work in the International Admissions Office. I'm going to show you how you can create an account to create an application for Hardin-Simmons, and then I'll do another video separate from this one for how to fill out your application. So first we're going to talk about creating an account. You'll go to the Hardin-Simmons homepage that will look like this, and you can use the web address hsutx.edu. And then you'll select Apply Now. That will bring you to this page where you can select Create an Account. And you'll type in your email address and other information. And select your birth date. And then continue. Once you get to this point, the Hardin-Simmons will email you a PIN number that you'll need to put in here. So once you go to your email, you will open an email that looks something like this, and it will have your PIN number information on it. It's an email from HSU Admissions, so you can look for that, and you will select your PIN number and paste it into here. And then you select your birth date again. And then log in. So once you get to this point, you'll create a password. It's important that this is a password that is a good password. It meets all of these criteria that are shown right here. And you also want to make sure that you remember it, because anytime you log into your account, you're going to have to use this password. So once you have all the green check marks, you can set the password. And then it will come here. At this point, you can go ahead and start your application. But if you don't have time for that, or you want to come back to it later, then you can exit and then you'll log back in later and be able to start your application whenever you're ready.